Thai has 10 single-form low-class consonants in total. Unlike mid- and high-class consonants, this group has no sibling letters. But actually, there's a way to learn all 10 at once, just by memorizing a single sentence. Today, I'll show you how. All you need to do is remember one sentence. Let's take a look. Here's the phrase. งูใหญ่นอนอยู่ณริมวัดโมลีโลก In English, it means a big snake is sleeping near Wat Moli Lok. A peaceful little story. First, ngā, ngu means snake. Second, yo, yai means big. Third, no, non means sleep. Fourth, ya, yo. You doesn't translate to one single word. It combines with non, sleeps, to create is sleeping, an ongoing action. Fifth, na. Na means at, showing location. Sixth, raw. Rim means the edge of. Seventh, wa. Wat means Wat, a Thai temple. Eighth, ninth, and 10th, ma, law, law. These three appear in Moli Lok, the name of the temple, Moli Lok. Now let's read through the whole phrase again. งูใหญ่นอนอยู่ณริมวัดโมลีโลก งูใหญ่นอนอยู่ณริมวัดโมลีโลก A big snake is sleeping near Wat Moli Lok. A peaceful little story. This one sentence contains all 10 single-form low consonants. Ngā, yaw, naw, yaw, naw, raw, waw, maw, law, law. With no sibling letters to worry about, these 10 are all you need. So, how was that? You've now completely mastered the single-form low-class consonants. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.